Palm Jumeirah is where demand never sleeps, and only 53 people from across the world will have an opportunity to be the owner in one of the homes in this location. I am talking about Armani Beach Residences, which is coming on Palm Jumeirah, and you will be in the neighborhood of Royal Atlantis Hotel. Armani Beach Residences is an exclusive project just for 53 residences. And in an area like Palm Jumeirah, there is scope for capital appreciation and also great rental returns. Here we get configuration of ground plus 8 floors, and the service fees is around 35 to 40 dirhams per square feet. But when we look at the view from here, it is mesmerizing. From the units, you get mesmerizing view of Palm Jumeirah. And when we compare the price range of what Armani Beach Residences is offering and what's the price range for other residences in the similar area, they're selling for around 22,000 per square feet, other residences, whereas Armani Beach Residences is at a much lower price. So from an investor point of view, this is a golden opportunity. And if we look at the view from each apartment, it is luxury from every single apartment. And when we talk about amenities, there is no end. They're offering amenities such as spa, spacious gym, sauna, ice bath, and lushly landscaped deck area featuring large-scale infinity pool and separate children's pool too. And from the infinity pool, you're gonna get beautiful view of Palm Jumeirah. They're going to be stylish and elegant cigar lounge based in a library setting. The best part that I like about this project is you also have your own private beach with accompanying amenities including food, beverages, beverage services, beach attendants, beach lounge chairs, and umbrellas. And 24-hour concierge service and 24-hour security and valet service at your doorstep. This project is redefining luxury in Palm Jumeirah, a perfect product if you're an end user or if you're an investor planning to buy something on Palm Jumeirah. It's like a global asset, a status symbol, and a legacy investment. This is not just a home. So in this Armani Beach Residences, there are options of 2-bedroom apartment, there are options of 3-bedroom apartment, and there are also options of 5-bedroom penthouses. As you can see the availability sheet right now. जब भी आप invest कर रहे हो, plan to invest in Dubai, one thing that you should absolutely check when you're finalizing a unit is the view that you're going to get from the unit. As you can see in the view section, the view that we're getting is sea view units, and the area for 3-bedroom type G is somewhere around 5,000 square feet, and the price is 41 million AED. If we talk about the lowest price unit right now that we have is a 2-bedroom type A. It is having a sea view and it is priced at around 23 million AED. So now let's understand the payment plan of this project. As you can see on the screen right now, you just make 10% payment. That's the down payment that you have to make, and then you make the first installment of 10% that you have to pay within 150 days. So till the time of handover, you don't even have to make full payment upfront. It comes with a payment plan. The handover of this project is in 2026 December, so you have ample time to make the payment also. And when you're buying a product like this, it's like an asset. It's a very rare opportunity to get a product like this where there are only 53 owners. It's exclusive, it's royal, it's premium. So if you would like to discuss more about the layouts and everything, we can connect over a Zoom meeting and we can have a detailed discussion about this. And this could be a dream home. Contact us on the number mentioned below to schedule your site visit or connect over a Zoom meeting. It doesn't matter where you're from, whether you're from India or from across the world, this home can be yours.